If you need to edit an approved invoice in Fergus, there are a few steps to follow. Let's walk through the process together. First, it's important to know that Fergus doesn't allow direct edits to approved invoices for two main reasons. Security and accuracy. This ensures transparency for both you and your customer, preventing any accidental or unauthorized changes. Accounting sync issues. Editing an approved invoice with the same invoice number can cause problems when resyncing with your accounting package, as the system may detect duplicate invoice numbers. Additionally, keep in mind that if an invoice already has a payment recorded against it, it can no longer be voided. To make changes to an approved invoice, you'll need to duplicate the existing invoice, edit the duplicate, approve the updated version, and void the old invoice. Let's break it down step by step. Start by opening the approved invoice. In the top right corner, click the three-dot menu and select Duplicate. Fergus will create a draft version of the invoice, which will be taken to automatically. In the draft invoice, make the necessary changes, and once you're happy with the updates, click Approve to finalize the new version. To prevent duplicate entries in your invoicing system, return to the original invoice. Click the three-dot menu in the top right corner and select Void Invoice. If your accounting package is connected, Fergus will also void the invoice here. And that's it! You've successfully updated your invoice in Fergus.